Nigeria they paro for their president wey be Tinubu. This guy just ask simple question. If you see Tinubu just by mistakenly see Tinubu, wetin we don say e no go happen, can never see am in your street, e no fit happen. But they ask a simple question. If you see Tinubu for street one-on-one, what are you going to do? Omo, hear wetin this guy talk, say he go do him president wey be Tinubu for your own ear. Hear am. Just watch the video, then we'll come back and continue.
If you dey waka for road now, you can't meet Tinubu lonely. You and I just jam. What you go do am?
In fact, what I go do my life ain't go regret am. In fact, I will not say anything, but I know that if you jam am for road one-on-one, in fact, the man will faint.
You go beat president.
You go faint automatically.
Road now, you dey waka. You can't see Tinubu for one lonely road. Only you and just jam. What you go do?
I will carry a knock head for war.
You go knock president head for war.
And I tell you now, the man don't spoil this country. You don't make me now, no dey fit chop 3 square meal again.
What kind of you ride this your bicycle now? You can't meet Tinubu for lonely road. What you go do?
I will carry him flog and well.
Oga, that's the way you talk. Repeat him again.
You don't know?
No joy, bro.
I tell you, if I catch an cane, if I catch an life and now bet I'll flog him.
How is business?
Eh?
Business. It's not business as usual.
Business too there off these days.
Lonely road now. What you go do?
Tinubu, when I stay for lonely road,
You and I just jam. Nobody there with them.
I go call him say, brother, come. Anything when I feel come, I go call him say, come. This country when he keep like this, they don't eat this morning. He can say me say don't eat. By that time I go grip him. Me and I go die there.
Right.
Because me I never eat.
All right now. Thank you.
I don't consider me human being. No. I don't just be human being, be devil.
Okay. Your president.
Yes, devil.
What do you think we can do to hold them accountable?
What do you do? My brother, this is don't pass Gario. You don't pass
If they
Gario.
come, say we divide the country, more protests, make military take over.
Yes, smoke it and then to try. We go their own place.
How do you do?
I'm a Biafra man. Call Biafra.
As the worst president, Javi.
He say him be the best, but Peter be talk say na lie, say na the worst.
Worst, we no life. Peter be no life for that one. And I zero way. Zero. Worst president. He's supposed to be there.
You now, you know they enjoy Jagaba again.
Me, I know enjoy now. I know from since we enter. I mean, I know enjoy now.
No joy now.
No joy bad. No laugh everywhere. We just don't see that you don't throw away for outside last. If they see you don't chop with me, make those in Nigeria don't collapse.
Nigeria is share your experience.
That's why I explain this. Since when them bomb me, that's why I express now. Everyone. It's not say before my father said suffer when suffer. He no pray making picking suffer. I thank God. If say my father never died now, I go tell him come see suffer where they suffer. Say my house don't pass am. Because my father no buy fuel. 700 naira per liter. 1100 naira per liter. My father buy that. Then they start saying Nigeria don't spoil. You know say they enjoying that time. Now we don't suffer. Suffer.
But you talk say our local.
Our local that before where our high blind. We don't see road. Nothing again now. But no, see, let me tell you, my brother, not the way we expect. Now we see. You understand?
What did you say Nigeria will do?
The road was no beating again.
What did you say Nigeria will do to hold our government accountable as if they fail us?
That way, I think say go fit do now. Make everybody put into prayer. The only prayer go be save us because our government they don't remember us again. They don't know we they suffer because all those way then they use now free thing. They don't know say we they suffer.
They don't have empathy.
At all. They don't have anything. But I don't think say Jagaba need to nothing to offer Nigeria again. Because India man say Nigeria to rule now don't confuse. You don't know when go start again.
Say make revolution happen when military can't take over.
No, pray for that country. Who they talk so?
They don't
No pray for that country. See, let me tell you, say, no, that they always talk this thing. Every time say, Nigeria need to end. Our Indian don't too much already. Then you go see endure.
You don't went that school, not be that very day.
Let me tell you, you go see give ourselves courage. Because we give them born today, no people work out today. Because everything I got, only say Nigeria don't work. Nigeria is too. I they come.
Nigeria win or Nigeria lose, it's not my concern.
It's not your
The
concern.
same thing will still happen.
So what do you think we can do as citizens to hold our people accountable?
What we can do to hold our people accountable, we have to kill all our leaders there.
May we kill them.
Kill all of them, flush everybody.
Tinubu will kill them.
Gather and start afresh. Are you getting me? So that Nigeria will be good. All those people who are on the thrones,
Yes. We
they
kill
are
them.
intimidating us. Let's kill them. Slaughter all of them.
How do we go about killing them?
We have to. How we can go about killing them? We have to plan very well.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
If we plan very well, we can fish them one by one and kill all of them.
Okay.
And we know them.
Sir, you support killing them too?
Because they have turned it to and they are misusing our economy.
Our resources.
Yes. Look at that, our economy is going down every day. So, like you that yesterday, Nigeria, that said they left Nigeria not to be win. Because if they win, it is our evil leader that call Mr. Tinubu.
Yes.
I'm not going to call him Mr. President. But Mr. Tinubu, I don't want him to touch the call.
So now revolution now,
If the final, they are not going to make it.
okay.
They will try their best, but they are not going to make it.
So you the verse now, guy.
I'm not happy.
All right. Chairman, too, you support?
Yes, I support.
May we kill them.
Kill them away. They are not our leaders.
All right.
We need to flush out.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
They said I'll go yesterday. I put it in penalty. You know what Nigeria will lose or not.
All right. Thank you, my man. All right. I appreciate it, bro.
Done virtually nothing as far as improving the standard of lives of Nigerians are concerned.
What do you think we as an individual can do to call them, to hold them accountable, because they defect from what they promised in the manifesto?
It depends on who you want to hold accountable. Now, Nigeria is a diverse country. One, we have a lot of challenges that is facing us. Part of the challenges is ethnicity, religion. So definitely there is no way. We are not united in anything, so there is no way we can hold them because
What is your suggestion, sir?
Well, I don't have much thing to suggest rather than Nigeria should be splitted so that people can go their different ways. That is the only way you can now be able to know how you will be able to help yourself.
What's your thoughts on revolution, military intervention right now because of the current situation?
Presently, I wouldn't encourage military to intervene because as a civilian, I believe that civilian rule should be better. Because
is it better now?
It's not better. It's not better because of the people ruling us and because of the way they want to handle us. It's worse now, but I cannot, because of that, say military should come. I won't advocate for military. Rather, they should. I advocate for change of attitude among our leaders. You understand? It's very bad what is happening.
If you had to rate this Tinubu administration, from 1 to 100, what will you do?
I will just give him 0% so far.
Wow.
As far as I'm concerned, I can only rate him 150 and above only in corruption. You understand me? They have not.
So far.
They have not started. They are sinking us deeper and deeper. So I can't read such an administration.
So if you get opportunity now, you go jump back?
Of course. Why should I be here? If I have 1 million naira, I'm not even having up to 1,000 US dollars.
Yeah.
You know what that means? So if I have opportunity, I will leave so that I can be able to make money. If I can be able to make 30,000 US dollars and come to Nigeria, I become a big man. So why shouldn't I go to look for such money? Somebody who has just 30,000 US dollars, if you come to Nigeria, you have almost 50 million. What does it mean? That means that I should go there and get that money and come back. If I have opportunity, I will go. There is no doubt.
But bro, sorry, na sunshine. We are not talking about how Nigeria will take better, right?
No. I just want to ask you, living in Nigeria now, how Nigeria dey for you?
Okay, now my citizen where me are there. I live quietly and I live perfectly, and Nigeria is nice for me and everything is comfortable for me. But the only thing is for them to change the news love paper to become currency, money.
May they change the love paper to
the
become
love where we as a musician, I'm a musician. Okay. Sunshine.
Okay.
Are you understanding me?
Yes.
The love where we use the rule, the streets and everywhere. May them change them to for us, men become money, more they get money. Men no become only love alone. We go spread love, being in jungle, being in bunk, being everywhere for things to be more better for Nigeria.
As Nigeria youth, share your experience. You know, last year we had a new president. How has it been since the ban?
Now things is good. I believe that yes, things now still going like this. I believe that it must also become perfect. Are you understanding me? So I believe God and I pray for Nigeria because I praise Nigeria of our Africa. Because it's like line sheep, rich and beauty, old and new, sun and moon and rain and dew. Because any day I wake up, I must do it, praise him and pray for the giant of Africa.
They enjoy Jagaban administration?
Now what for you? I know me will be Lagos brought up. I enjoy him matter because him now can never allow us to suffer for what we did not know.
You vote Jagaban?
Why not vote for him? I vote for him 3 times. I vote for him both for phone. I vote for him both for physical hand. I vote for him both my movement of my life.
Okay. So which advice you go tell Jagaban now? Make him still do more.
Okay. Advice I go tell him be say make him know the kind of thing we go do for us, for the youth to change, for good living. Because we are now suffering for just ordinary things. If we may go to a foreign land, they give them monthly service.
Allowance.
But we Nigeria boys here now, look my face, I'm not a problem child. But now just because of how to chop, now make man to come.
But the same demand they try now, they come.
They try. I know they chop. Now they tell you now they chop. Now make me still the cool because I don't carry gun for my hand. But I will carry my toothpick while you they come out some kind of paper of my face. So now be the issue. Thank you, bro.
All right, thank you so much, bro.
It shock you. You don't hear them, Abi. They say they go deal with their president. Now come say, say the thing don't reach like this. Everywhere don't job with like this. Now wow. Share the video.